king.
And a
honest boy. Let's watch and enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Highness King Vidyadhara is arriving.
I am Vidyadhara, King of Gandhara. Now I am very old. I have no successor. What will I do now? Yes, I got an idea. I will distribute seeds to all children in the country. Who child who grows in the biggest and healthiest plant will become prince or princess. They can take 3 months for it. Minister. Yes, my lord. What can I do for you? I got an idea. You have to give a proclamation. Okay, your majesty.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ 3 ഉണ്ട്.
Listen. King Vidyadhara is going to distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest and the healthiest plant will be the next prince or princess. They can take 3 months for it. Date 15th March 2024. Venue Palace Auditorium. All are welcome.
ഏത് മൈക്കിൽ കൂടെ കേൾക്കുന്നത് ഓഫാക്കി വെക്കാൻ പറ്റും.
Why are you so sad? All the children are going to the palace, but my seed didn't sprout. Don't worry, you go with your empty pot. The king will know your hard work. Okay, father, I will go.
എടാ മോനെ ആ ചട്ടി ഒന്ന് എടുത്തോണ്ട് കൊടുക്കുക അവൻ്റെ.
Child, show me your plan. Here it is. Child, show me your plan. Child, show me your plan. Here it is. Why did you come with an empty pot, my child?
Forgive me, my lord. I tried my best, but my seed didn't sprout.
Here is the crown prince. I give roasted seeds to all children in. They would never grow. I am sure one day this kingdom justly